Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? I hope everyone's doing great and I am also doing well. Today I would like to share my thoughts as well as I am trying to keep practicing a little bit speak English. So let's begin. First of all, thank you for giving me your important time. Actually, I just makes video for myself because in this time I have a free, then I hardly if I do, then I will have been as if for my dream as soon as possible. A few days I have very busy because I got job in the building construction site in my village. I'm looking for a lots of people this work site. He couldn't know about what's going on in his life. When I was working in the building construction site, specifically in the helper, he if he give me one side job, he always working in his side, but he couldn't exchange the jobs another person. It was really bad. If you are couldn't communications skills for another people, if I think if you talking with another people, then you will have been good job for yourself. You must be try another side, then you will be easy job for yourself. But if you don't share this job for another people, then your side is a very bad. In this moment I try to share my work for another people, then I think it will be very good for myself. However, If you don't share your job for another people, it must be very bad for yourself, and you must be thinking work is very hard. But if you share this work for another people, then it feels be happy for your work. In my opinion, you must be share you work for another people, then you enjoy very much for your work. At this moment, if I have to work this site, then I try to share my work for another people, and I'm really enjoy it this work. Additionally, if you don't enjoy for yourself, it's it was very bad for your life. Then if you enjoy too much in yourself, then you will have been good for yourself, and you realize the earning money is for easy. So that's all pity about me. Thank you everyone for your patience, Harry. See you next video.